I'm gonna drift this bitch. Oh yeah! Sticks it! Hey, I'm just getting ready here. We're going go-karting with the boys today. And Clancy's waiting outside and he's getting mad. So, I'm trying to tie my shoes as fast as possible and get some content. Sick! Get out, yo. The Beamer's here. That acro-COVID business. Helmet's in the back.
All geared up?
Yeah. Let's grab stuff on the fly there. Anyways, we're geared. We're doing it. We're in it to win it. Bud! Yeah. How are you? This is Mark.
Hi guys. Okay, we're gonna figure it out.
Oh, this will go on my helmet. Not with all the shit on
Oh,
it.
did you guys bring your helmets?
Yeah? Yeah, you gonna put on someone's COVID helmet?
Gee, you know what? Like, I literally thought about this like 10 minutes from my house. I'm like, should I have brought my helmet? I know it's full face.
And your Senna. Did you not bring your Senna?
You don't have a
I
Senna.
don't have a Senna.
Oh, you're out of the loop already.
And I didn't bring headphones, so I can't even listen to mine.
Been able to talk to me on a motorcycle?
That's right, because we always joking around like, oh, man,
I'm like the
so
guy
bored.
who you can't talk to.
Yeah, we're having a chat.
I feel like I know. Sick. We should probably like pop a couple of those 180s, right?
Turn this thing around.
You want to leave?
You can't pass anyone.
Cool. Oh, we're going here? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
It's like braided lines.
Huh?
It's like braided lines, like brake lines.
Yeah. So that way, it picks me up and it picks up you.
Really?
But I didn't wear my headphones, so I can't hear you.
Ah.
But you can hear me.
Yeah.
So you can just chirp the entire time and I won't know what you're saying and it'll get recorded.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You want to know who you're cutting off?
Operation Eliminate Bruce.
He's got his music on, he can't hear. He's cranking Metallica in there.
He
has
doesn't
no
know.
idea.
I don't care if I come third, as long as I don't come fourth. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Gary, you better know I'm coming for you, bud.
Just make sure we take out Bruce.
Absolutely.
That's the main thing. Let's keep the main thing here.
Fucking awesome.
Oh yeah! I'm gonna drift this bitch. Oh yeah! Sticks it! I overcocked that one.
I saw that. Whoa. Oh.
Got that corner waxed now. I got Bruce on the inside here, boys.
You lock him up.
Oh yes, I'm away. It was the kart's fault last time for sure.
What's that?
Oh yeah. Mark is an animal.
Oh man,
I'm stuck behind a pig. Oh, I managed to catch. I am hot on Mark's tail.
I got a shit fucking car this time.
Oh yeah! Oh, you got him on the inside!
Where are you, Gary?
Oh, Mark's taking the outside. That was probably the smart move. Where's Bruce?
He just passed me.
Oh, Clancy, I'm all up in your business, buddy.
This thing won't go.
Oh, yeah.
This thing won't go.
Oh, now I got Mark in my sights again. Oh, shit. No! 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 Yes! Oh, no! Thanks, buddy. Thanks. That kid's so fast.
He is.
Get that drift.
I fucking can't with this thing.
Well on, Ross, boys.
See you, bud. Okay, my foot is down and I'm not.
Oh, the sneak attack! Can he have it?
Flat, and I can't fucking go anywhere. Oh, Gary! I'm coming for you. Oh, you son of a bitch! You bumper car time for this?
Oh, man.
Where you at? No!
Oh. Are you okay? You okay? Oh, we're stuck. Oh, nice work, Clancy. On the
Oh, no, I'm outside.
and you fucked yourself.
I got hurt. Ah. Shit.
He's dripping.
What's up?
What does white mean? Oh my god, my cart's fucked, bud.
Ah, shit.
I've blown it.
Oh.
Dude, we pranked so good.
That was so much fun.
My back is red.
If I hadn't got caught with heart.
Dude, you connected me. I love how you're just recording your face, Mark. It's the best part of this whole thing. You're just recording your face. So good. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll get up to all sorts of other shenanigans. Obviously, it's winter now, so it's basically working on bikes or finding other fun things to do. So if you dig this, let me know. If you didn't, also let me know. Why not, eh? Cool. Thanks, and see you next time.